How you going there, guys? I've just made a new cable here, so pretty handy cable for those of you who want to use a caravan camera or like a second camera that's going to go into the F-cam input on our M-Series head unit. That takes 4-pin aviation plug. That's a 4-pin aviation plug. So if you're running like a Safety Dave camera or pretty much any caravan camera that goes up onto your dash, if you actually unplug the display and follow the cable back, like normally down the kick panel, down by where your feet are, it'll actually split off to these, and this is where the video feed comes from. So this is a super common industry standard cable. Now the whole point of this is you can go and put it in the back of our head unit, which I'll show you now. So in here, we've pulled the old one out, which was that. So you can get rid of this old one. I'll have to untape it. And we've put our new one in here, our big long one. So we've still put our cam in. Cam in is our reverse camera. That's still going into our reverse camera RCA. But we've now got this cable here, our 4-pin one. We've got about 60 centimeters on here. So more than enough room to tuck this down behind the glove box or in the kick panel, so you can easily get to it later on, or hook it up straight away. And in here you've got 2 pins for video and 2 pins for power. So you've got like a video plus, a video negative, and a power plus and a power negative, and it's going to take power when the F-cam app is open. So I'll show you quickly how this works in a second. But if you're thinking of doing a caravan camera later on, or you want to have the option for it, it's a handy option to grab this cable, because then you can tuck it down and out, and you can easily get to this 4-pin one later on for when you need it. So handy to add on. So that's it. I'll show you how it hooks. So what I've done is I've run this cable down here behind the glove box. Now it's either going to plug into a cable you already have that could have been in your kick panel from your old camera or your Safety Dave camera or whatever it is. So you're going to plug into that. Or the other option you might be doing in the future is you might want to plug into a wireless camera. So you could also plug it into that. Those are the 2 options. So for example, if we plug a camera into it, this is just the camera here we have right here. I'll show you what happens on the screen and how it works. But you can see it coming up on screen there. So it's going to put the video and the power down that 4-pin cable. So now, still going to have our reverse camera when we go into reverse. Still got our reverse camera. And you can see that's that caravan camera we had hooked up coming through now. So that would be your caravan camera you would see. And the whole point of that is that when you go into reverse, you can see your car reverse camera, and you can just tap on here, and that would bring up the camera coming into the F-cam input, which in this case is our caravan camera coming in like so.